Slide number 5 here, more practice examples. We're going to do the first two together on the top, and then you guys could try the bottom two for your homework. So, derivative of natural log of the absolute value of x squared plus 2. Well, you should know that anytime you have a natural log, whatever's inside of it always has to be positive. So, these absolute value bars are really just restating something that should already be defined. And if you look back at the top here, back to our derivative rules for natural log, this bottom one has derivative of natural log of the absolute value of u. It's really just the same thing, du over u. So essentially those absolute value bars are meaningless. Long story short, just ignore them. Because what's inside there has to be positive anyway, so the absolute value is just going to turn it a positive again, so it basically just is redundant. So again, it's just du over u. So the derivative of what's inside the bars or inside the natural log is going to be 2x plus 0. You don't have to write the 0 over the function left alone, x squared plus 2. Nice and simple, easy. Du over u. This one is a little trickier, okay? Because you have two things occurring here. You have a natural log function, and inside that natural log function, you have another natural log function. So you're gonna have to be you have to kind of open your mind a little bit to this one. So take the outer natural log function first. So the derivative of a natural log is du over u, okay? So the derivative of what's inside this natural log is going to be, well, the derivative of another natural log. So it's 1 over x, right? Over u. The u thing is the ln x. The u thing is what's inside the outer natural log, right? See these red parentheses I drew? That thing inside there is u. So that's the bottom of your derivative. Ln x is the bottom. The top of it is du, aka the derivative of what's inside the natural log. Well, there's another natural log inside the outer natural log. So the du is going to be the derivative of ln x, which we know is the derivative of x, which is 1 over x. So our du over u boils down to 1 over x over ln x, which you could simplify as 1 over x ln x. You could basically move this x down to the bottom to simplify that. And that's it. That's all you could do with this one. 1 over x ln x. That is your derivative of a natural log inside of a natural log. So, I want you guys to try this one and this one as your homework. Now keep in mind, when you do this first one here, this is x squared minus 9 to the 1/2 power inside of a natural log. You're going to need to use chain rule for that. And same thing here. This one you're going to have to use quotient rule, because you have a quotient inside the natural log. So when you do the derivative of what's inside the natural log, you got to do quotient rule for that one. All right, good luck on those two problems.